Hello YouTube! So today I've got the Keychron K10 in front of me. This is a full-sized 104 key keyboard. It has all the bells and whistles such as hot swappable Gateron branded red switches, an outer aluminium frame, 15 different RGB modes, Bluetooth 5.1 and a large 4000 mAh battery that's charged over USB-C. It also includes the nice extra touch of having both Windows and Mac keycaps in the box. To stay on theme of the channel, being really budget focused, I got this board for 99 Australian delivered to my door, which is a fantastic price for the features. This keyboard did come with the Gateron Red Switches. I actually find these switches a bit mushy in tactile feel and also the noise that they make. I do actually prefer the blue switches that are on the Huoji CQ84 that I reviewed in a previous video on my channel. Now some might ask, why is this worth an extra $42 or around like 45% more than the Huoji? The reasons are Bluetooth 5.1 instead of Bluetooth 4.0, you get an aluminium frame, Gateron brand switches, which are a well-known brand, a larger battery, and you get the rest of your keys because that is an 84 keyboard while this is a full-size keyboard. It's time to do a quick sound check. I'll just show off a few of the RGB settings here. So I can't not recommend this keyboard for the price. You just get so much and it's all made with decent quality. The only thing I would do again is avoid the red switches. They are just not the right sound for me. I'm sure there is people out there that like them, but as far as I read, you might be better off with blues or browns. They are the kind of generally liked switch types. And there is heaps of better recorded switch noise comparisons on the internet than my one, which is done with some pretty bad equipment. So if you want to find out which one you like before buying the keyboard, jump on YouTube, learn a bit more, so just to make sure that you're happy when you receive it. Thanks a lot for watching the video.